Hi students, today we're discussing on the topic stereolithography apparatus. Stereolithography apparatus. It is an additive matching process which is used to fabricate the 3D objects, and it is calling as a 3D printer method. It uses an ultraviolet light technology and creates the three-dimensional plastic objects directly from the CAD data. Let us see a small video about this 3D printing. Let us see what are the process and steps involved in this stereolithography apparatus. In first stage, we have to develop a CAD model using a CAD software. After the developing of the 3D CAD, transfer this data into STL file format, means converting 3D CAD file data into STL format. Here the STL full form is Standard Triangular Language or Standard Tessellation Language. It means the CAD file is looks like a triangular. That's why it is calling as a standard triangular language. After this conversion, the next process is slicing the uh, standard triangular language file into the slices. Here the slice is nothing but a layer thickness D. So we are creating the model of the STL file format into the n number of slices to get the desired part of the component. After these slices, we are going into the fabrication of the product after the slices of process. So here we are having a platform. On that platform, we drawing a laser on the liquid. When this laser draws a pattern on the liquid solidifies and getting a solid layer S1. It is first layer. After the first layer is created, we have to create another layer, that is second layer. Same process, again the laser is draws on the liquid resin and draws a pattern as given in the 3D CAD file data, and the layer will be formed. This process is continuous up to the n layers. First, let us see the working of this stereolithography apparatus. First of all, what are the components are involved in this apparatus? There are laser, supporting control mechanism, mirror, and a platform. So these are the main three components for the apparatus. What are that? Laser, supporting control system, mirror, and platform. Here the laser strikes on the mirror, and this mirror gives a direction on the resin to draw a pattern as prescribed in the 3D CAD in a layer manner. After striking the laser on the liquid resin solidifies and converted into the layers. This is the working process of the apparatus. Let us discuss in detail about this process. For example, I consider here a tank which is called as pad and a platform and resin liquid. Here the platform is lowered with respect to the layer thickness. So I am repeating again. Here the platform is lowered with respect to the layer thickness. For example, when the laser strikes and draws a pattern on the resin liquids, it gets solidified and creating a layer, that layer on the platform. Again, here we creating a first layer. Again, we continuing the same process. Again, we drawing a laser pattern on the liquid region, and we getting another layer, another layer. Like this process is continuous until the desired part is reached. Like that, we can build the parts with using this apparatus in a layer by layer manner. Here, the laser draws a pattern on the liquid region, and the direction of this pattern gives the supporting control system of the mirror in XY direction. And the Z direction is the platform, which is lower. That lower mechanism with respect to the thickness of the layer. Like this process is continuous until the product is reached. What is after the final process? For example, here I am giving a picture that is manufacturing of the tire using this same apparatus, but here the tire is constructed with some unwanted materials, because this unwanted material is a supporting structure. So as in previous class I have told, additive manufacturing, most of the additive manufacturing, there is no need a post-processing applications process. So it is necessary, if it is required, we going into the post-processing applications. In this figure, we have to definitely go to the post-processing operations, because some unwanted materials are developed in the final product. So that has to be removed. So that we will calling as a post-processing operations if it is required. These unwanted materials can be removed using some other process, and after removing these unwanted materials, again we place the final product into the post-curing ultraviolet oven. Here, ultraviolet oven recreates the strength to the final product, that we calling as a post-curing process. Advantages and disadvantages of the stereolithographic apparatus. Let's see what are the main advantages of this apparatus. The first main advantage of this apparatus is high accuracy and precision. And next is good surface finish. This STL file apparatus we can use continuously irrespective of the time, and we can build the volumes like small products to the large parts, and it is a good user support. Next, disadvantages of the STL apparatus. It requires support structures as needed. When using this, when we getting the support structures into the final product, it is some disadvantage to the process because unwanted material is fabricated in the final product. So that is an unwanted material, which is disadvantage of the apparatus. So that is the disadvantages. When we having a unwanted material in the fabricated part, we have to definitely go to the post processing operations and then post curing process. Here, application of stereolithography apparatus. As in previous class, I have tell about the rapid prototyping system applications. That same applications are also applicable for this apparatus also. So what are the applications means manufacturing industries and architecture planning and biomedical implants. Like we have many applications about this apparatus like aircrafts and automobile industries.